Before I dive into program management and some of the things that I've seen in my career, I want to get started with some of the thoughts so that we get to know each other and some of the areas that we'll cover. So for program management, when we go into an initiative, we deal with tech processes, people, time, deliverables, a whole lot of things. The goal is to stitch it all together. So as a team, as we plan and deliver, I want each of you to think about the engagement, the initiatives, the projects that you've been part of, and what was the reason that it failed? Because that's one of the things that happens a lot of times where we plan things, but they don't work out the way we want to. So think about those areas. Think about why some of the failures happened. Almost 70% of initiatives and projects, companies, ecosystems, organization, teams don't fulfill their goals. They have to backtrack. So think about that perspective when launching an initiative, work that we want to do. Why did it fail? Is it because we did not achieve some of the things that we wanted to achieve? What are the surprises you've seen? I'm sure we have been part of a lot of ecosystems and initiatives where we have engaged the best teams, we have the best plans, we have the budget in plan, all the aspects that we could think about. But still, when it comes to the end, did it work out for us? Did it fall short on what we're trying to do?